Hey guys, several years ago now, I did a lesson on the late great Eddie Hazel of P-Funk fame, and since then I've got many requests to do a follow-up. And today I'm going to give you 5 more great Eddie Hazel licks. These are all in the key of D minor. Pretty simple stuff here, just using D minor pentatonic, but some great funky things happening. I also want to let you know I have a brand new course that just came out from TrueFire, Mixolydian Connections. Check that out in the description below. Alright guys, all the licks in today's lesson are going to be in the key of D minor, and these are all just using D minor pentatonic scale. So the first lick here is starting up at the 12th fret, and this is right on beat 2. So this is 1, 2. The next 2 beats are as follows. Alright, so just to your F note, then down to your D note, to the G note. Most of the time I finger this by kind of crossing the second finger over the top of the third finger, but you could also do this with a barred third finger. Back up to the F note. So far we have this. Pull the D down to the C. Walk it down chromatically from your A down to G, down to your F, down to your root of D at the 10th fret on the low E string. So far we have this. 1. Up to the octave there at the 12th fret on the D string, and then you're going to hit that one more time, pull it off down to the C, and kind of slide the whole thing down. So that is the entire lick. Real slow here. Here we go. 1. Again. 1. A little bit quicker. 1. The next lick here is playing a double stop right in the position at the top of your D minor chord down here at the 5th fret. And we're going to hit the double stop there on the top 2 strings. That's your F together with your A. Right there, right on the downbeat. Then you're going to do a pull-off lick here from the D down to the C and then to the A note. But the timing of this is a 16th note triplet. So here it is. So this is getting half the beat. This is getting half the beat. And then you're just repeating this on every beat. Again, real slow. Now sped up a little bit, it kind of starts to sound like something. And you can also bend that F note up slightly to give it a little bit more flavor. All right, for the next lick, we're right back up in your D minor pentatonic blues box at the 10th fret. This is a very simple lick. I just like the way that he uses the bends here. We're starting this lick by hitting the G note right there at the 12th fret on the G string, just kind of playing that right on beat 1, giving it a little vibrato. Then you're going to go down to the F note, down there at the 10th fret, hit that, up to the G, and then bend it. So far we have this. On beat 3, alternating with the F down to the D, the G. So far again we have this. Then you're going to do the bending lick again. So here's the first measure. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. The next measure. And that's it. So all together, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Repeat it. Pick it up a little bit now. One more time. All right, another very simple lick in D minor pentatonic again, but this time we're up in position 2, starting right here at the 14th fret on the G string. And this, with the first note here, we're hitting right in the last note of the measure, the last 16th. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Right there, right at the end of the measure, 3, 4, E, and right there. I'd probably hit that with an up stroke or an up pick direction. 2, 3, 4. Right there, and then you're just going to go up the minor pentatonic scale. Right there to the C, to the D, the F, to the G. So far we have this. And then at the end, bending the G up full, pull that off down to the F note. And that's it. 2, 3, 4. So you could really do this thing with any group of notes in D minor pentatonic. So just experiment with it. Something like that, or okay, this last lick is a very standard kind of rock and roll repeating lick here, but I just like the way that he phrases this starting on the last 16th note of the measure. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, E, and right there. Gonna hit the G note, bend that up full, right on the last 16th note of the measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then go up to the sound of, or the A note there at the 10th fret on the B string. Follow that with the C note, and that's it. You're just going to repeat that lick. And you can really just repeat this lick as long as you want. And you can also replace the notes. So maybe instead of doing a bend from your G, try a couple different combinations. Same type of pattern, but now starting on a bend of the F up to the G, or maybe we do something like. Also works really well. Anyways, just kind of play with it.